Hello everyone. Today I'm telling about the Blue Body story spoken English, learning, practice confidence blindly with me. So let's get now start everyone. Once upon a time there was a lived in a little bluebird. He was a very hungry a little bluebird. He lived but here and there, in search of the water, a little bluebird. But he found in search, research, in research, in the garden, he was a little bluebird. He was a little bluebird also here and there. The jug put into the water. You will summon the little bluebird is, he thought, and he called in the water. The little bluebird is, you will ask it, the place is a good place than plant. You will stone in the by someone. A little bluebird is some drink water and always fell together. The story is a moral. Bluebird story it will very interesting and it has also very comfortable in this my videos. Has everyone practice confidence still fluently with me? Spoken English is a very be better. Spoken English is a get better. Spoken English is a very comfortable, is a powerful in the language.